Hey guys, this is going to be a quick one. This is about Fotello. They have a new update, new feature, kind of sweet, saves you some time. Check it out. So when you add in a new listing to Fotello, you can drag and drop your files. And now once it processes, in this case 159 photos, stack of 3, it already knows they're exterior or interior. All you have to do is double check to make sure your stacks are correct, and then you enhance your listing. It's pretty cool. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And once all your photos process, you can double check that they're all interior, exterior. And just to show you that it came out correctly, you can see up here in the corner, exterior, and this one's still processing, but then on the top left, you got interior, interior. So it all works well, and that is also an exterior. A bonus tip, what I like about Fotello, you can see the shadow of the camera. Click down here, camera, shadow, and submit that because AI made a mistake, kinda. You just want to get rid of this camera shadow, and the real editors behind the scene will fix that and update in your system. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's up to 12 hours. Thanks for watching. It'd be a great help if you'd like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. My affiliate links are down below, and I appreciate anybody that clicks them and helps this channel grow. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.